Okay, so we're going to review our trades that we took this week because we were up so much the last week. And for the month, we decided just to kind of go a little bit light. We don't want to give back too much profits and take too many losing trades. So here's kind of what happened for the week. Took 4 trades total. Believe it or not, 1 win and 3 losses, and we were down just a little bit. I'll show you the details of that here in a second. What we did use was 3 different strategies, 3 different bots: the opening range breakout, the orb, the snapback, and the volume bot. And we traded just the MNQ and MES. We had 3 trades on Monday and 1 on Thursday, risking that same $750 that we talked about last week. And the question that a lot of people ask us is, how do we know what to run the bots on? Again, the way that this works is our previous back tests guide our decisions. The decision to take less trades this week because we had a pretty decent month, didn't want to get back too many gains. That was actually a discretionary decision. But how do we know what to run it on? Well, ladies and gentlemen, it is all based on our data-driven decision making. That's it. So here's what happened the very first week: -1R, followed by another -1R, followed by another one -1R. 3 losing trades in the very first day of the week. If you don't have any signs or signals that it's going to maybe be a choppy week, that would be it. And so we did decide to kind of lighten up on some trades. The one that we had the most confidence in was this Thursday, where we made 2.8R in our risk unit. In this case, as we just mentioned a few minutes ago, an R represents $750. That's what an R represents, $750. And so when we say we made 2.8R, that is the equivalent of basically 2.8 times 750, or $2,100. And so you can see here our blue dot designates where we get into the trade. Our signal candle, the dotted line, is our entry. Red line is our stop loss down here, because we always want to know where to get out. Obviously, if it hits the red line, we lose 750. However, in this case, if it hits our green line, which it did, and just a handful of candles, that is our take profit. So that worked out amazing. So we did lose 3R in the very first day of the week. We got most of that back. And as I mentioned, that was basically 4 trades for the whole week. And this is a quick review: 3 trades on Monday, every single one lost. So you know what? It happens. You got to be able to roll with it without losing your confidence. Keep following the plan. We took nothing on Tuesday, Wednesday, and then had 1 trade on with a 2.8R on Thursday, giving us, we're down just a little bit, 0.2R. And again, we use these 3 bots. We took 4 trades. We risked 750. Again, consistent across the board, across all trades. And so we ended up being down about $150 basically. That's basically it. And so that was it's not the best week ever losing, but it happens. It is what it is. We're down a little bit. I'll take it. And here's a recap of the entire, ran this report a second ago, took a screenshot of here, our very total for the entire month. As you guys can see here, this is our actual trade performance here. This is the actual trades. These are not paper trades. Actual trades for the month, now that we're at the end of the month, was up $8,800. Again, using that $750 of risk. And that's kind of how our month went for August. And took a total of 19 trades. We have reviewed, last week reviewed 7. This week we had 4. The remaining rest of those trades took place in the first 2 weeks of the month. And so ultimately, this is we got some new t-shirts, some new merch coming out. This is our bot, our mascot Greg here. And we have some new t-shirts that say, I bought some shares today. BOT, bought some shares today. Well, if you are been with us for any period of time, you know that we say you don't have to win every time. You have to win over time. This week was a great reminder of that. We do offer 12-month mentorships that are starting again here in September. We have a new cohort of students for push button trading, which is discretionary semi-automated training classes that you can sign up for. We have fully automated bot training that I teach. Matt DeLong. And then finally, we have option automation classes that are taught by Robert Thompson. And our company, what are we all about? We're about trading, education, technology, and community. If you have any questions, please go to our website at pushbuttontrading.co, pushbuttontradings.co, and we will see you guys next week. Thanks.